Today is a very special day for us here at Mercedes-Benz South Africa. We're out here in Cholonga in the Eastern Cape, not far from our East London Mercedes-Benz manufacturing plant. We're unveiling the reconstruction of Gqala Primary School.
We believe that education is the key that helps our people unlock a better future. It is the key that helps our people out of the vicious cycle of poverty.
You cannot learn in a completely destroyed environment. It was all about getting back to where we are now and even go better than it used to be.
Today, our Gift of the Givers teams are packing food parcels together with the Mercedes-Benz South Africa team at our East London warehouse. These food packs will be going out to the learners of Gqala Primary School. The school has been affected by recent disasters and has been completely destroyed. And together with the funding Mercedes-Benz donated, we were able to refurbish and upgrade the school. And these food packs the learners will be able to take home to their family.
Again, Mercedes-Benz came forward and provided 2.5 million to rebuild the school. And what's so important in Eastern Cape now is a soup kitchen. This soup kitchen, there's hunger all over the province. This couldn't have come at a better time. And by the way, this is the prototype. This is the first one we've built as a model for Mercedes-Benz, which we will replicate in other parts of the country.